Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to animate the camera using React 3 Fiber. So firstly I have created a project using Vite, but yeah, use whatever framework you want. Using Vite I have created a React project. So yeah, use whatever you feel like, and this is the output. So here you can see I'm moving my camera. I'm also rotating this particular cube. You might have saw this in last video itself, but I'm also animating the camera. So that's what we will be looking into. So as usual I have created a basic project using Vite. Then inside dependencies you just need two dependencies for now, React 3 Fiber and 3. Okay, ignore all the other dependencies. This React and React DOM are present by default. You don't really need this too, you don't really need this as well. So you just need React 3 Fiber as well as 3, and inside dev dependencies you can add this types/3. so this is the dependency which I'm adding. Then inside app.css, here you can see this is the css which I have added. Then inside app.tsx I have just imported canvas from React 3 Fiber, and here is a separate React component which I have created. So if I go to components, here you can see, firstly ignore this use frame for now. Here I have just created a cube reference. Okay, here is our directional light, because a mesh tone material requires a directional light. So this is a mesh, this is I have attached cube ref to it, and as you can see this is just a position of our plane. So simple basic React component, but the interesting part comes in use frame. So this is imported from React 3 Fiber, and here you can see I'm rotating our cube. So this is called every frame per second. You don't have to pass the array, empty array, because we want to run this every frame. And also if you see here we get the elapsed time from our state.clock.elapsed time. Then we just change the camera position. So also the state contains camera, so state.camera.position.x, pass our camera, state.camera.position.z, pass our angle again, sorry, and rotate it like sine and cos. And here look at, I have kept it as 0 0 0. So this is the only important code which you have to write to rotate, animate or rotate your camera, and you will get an output something like this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.